Welcome to this video. In this video we're going to see how you can remove credit card details from Temu app. So you click on the Temu app. So from the app you click on the down menu. From the menu click on you, then this hand hexagon menu on the top here, click on it. So as you can see here, you see your payment details. Click on your payment details, your payment methods. You can see your card there. You see the card details already there. You see add a debit card. You see a card edit. So you click edit. You see the details. You see edit your card and delete card. So you go there and delete the card. You can see it will ask you that to keep this card or delete this card. So you click delete card. So it will ask for the reasons. Put the reason, confirm. So that is how you can remove your credit card details from Temu. So thank you for watching.